Hey guys, welcome back. It is the 4th of April 2025. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years. And soon I will gonna live stream. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's get into the announcements. There are no new really announcements. We're keeping everything steady. And yeah, so let's actually get in the middle of the meet like we usually do on these videos. So let's start with the languages. So we started to picking up the vocabulary again. It feels really easy to pick it up right now. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I have a lower limit, or maybe because I'm more rested. I'm not sure which one it is. I'm not nearly as annoyed, and yeah, we're just keeping at it. So yeah, there's that. Let's get into the next part, which is the bias. So the biases are back. We're going to talk about ambiguity aversion. So if something is hard to understand or is uncertain, people are likely to avoid it rather than going with knowing what the risk actually is of doing something. So let me give you an example. Let's assume you are at the casino, and the casino has a box, and this box says, hey, there are 50 black balls and 50 red balls. But the other table also has a box which has probably balls, but if they are black or red, we wouldn't know. Now, most people would like to know and would like to put the odds on it, which is not makes total sense, because if you have a certain slot machine, and that is the 1/10 of chance to pulling off a black ball, or if the other slot machines you don't know what the chances are, people usually go for the first one because it is more secure, and you know the risk. So that's the ambiguity aversion. So when should you actually go for the don't know? Well, that is usually for the people that are daring. So this is not has not even to do with risk calculation. You just don't know what is going to happen, and you're going to gain either new knowledge or some excitement. But people that tend to avoid that when they don't like more feel down or need more security to do something. So I'm not saying there are two types of people, but depending on your state and depending on who you are, you're more likely to go for one or another. So yeah, that is the bias of today. Let's get into the meat of the video. So when it comes to programming, we're focusing on the job seeking. I'm also going to focus on the UI components of my sales funnel, which I'm gonna stream soon. So if you're interested in that, you can subscribe. And yeah, that's basically what we are doing. There's not much, but finally the job market has opened up. It took a couple of months because it was really closed. There were a lot of leftover jobs, or jobs that don't apply, or they're not real, or they're scams. So there's a lot of things that they weren't there, but now they seem to be up and coming. So for me, it's the time to shine. So yeah, I'm gonna close off this video right now, and I'm gonna stream soon. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 in 7 years. And I will see you into the next video.